Hey girl, get ready with me for content day. But before I start, I'm gonna do them like a browser and come back. Give me a sec. Okay, so today I'll be shooting some videos for my YouTube channel. You can check me out at Couture Shans. Yeah, don't be a stranger over there. So yeah, I decided to just come on and chat with you guys and clear some things up as it pertains to content creation. So these are things that I didn't know myself when I started the game, so why not share them with you guys? So first off, did you know that you can become a content creator by basically creating lifestyle content? Like, listen, your life is content. Every single thing you do is content. You can literally prop up a camera anywhere and do anything and post it, and guess what? It's content. Number two, did you know that brands are willing to work with you even if you have below 1,000 followers, subscribers, you name it? Girl, come on. Like, gone are the days when people like brands, big brands need these. So gone are the days when big brands need you to have a